Fear is not natural. Fear is taught from school, from parents, from society, from trauma. They teach you to be safe, not to be great. They teach you to follow the rules, not your purpose. Fear gets programmed into your subconscious mind. So when every time you wanna grow, start a business, post content, speak your truth, chase your dreams, your mind says, who do you think you are? That's not your voice, that's conditioning. Here's the truth. Your comfort zone is a beautiful prison. It feels safe, but it's stealing your future. Growth feels scary because you've never been there before. But everything you want is on the other side of fear. So next time fear shows up, smile. It means you are leveling up. Walk through it. Your higher self is waiting. They program the fear, but you can program greatness. Comfort zone is dangerous. Comfort zone. The comfort zone is dangerous. Kakhulu. Comfort zone feels good, but it makes you lazy. Yakuvelaphisa. Comfort makes you scroll instead of growth. Sleep instead of study. Complain instead of change. Comfort whispers, you can do it tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next week, next year, and then one day you realized life passed you by. Here's the truth. Comfort doesn't build a legacy. Comfort builds regret. Every strong person you admire, walk through discomfort. Gym hurts, growth hurts, discipline hurts, but regret hurts more. Your comfort zone is stealing your future. So get uncomfortable, wake up early, train harder, learn more, post that video, speak your truth, because your dreams don't live in your comfort, they live in courage. Choose discomfort today or regret tomorrow.